Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Let's solve the another problem. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either form of 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. Okay, here 3m and 3m plus 1, you want us to prove any square is in the form of 3m and 3m plus 1. So in this problem, in the textbook, hint is also given that a number can be, before squaring, it is in the form of 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2. Why only 3 here? Hint is given because if 3 is multiplied by this number that is given in this number, in the format that we have to show, 3 is multiplied by 3, 9 will come. That is a perfect square. That is the reason he wanted us to, in the textbook wanted us to assume that a number is in the form of 3q. So similarly, it is like this. Let a be any integer, so a is equals to, it can be 3q or 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 1, okay, 3q plus 2. You take any number, let's say a is equals to 10, then it will become 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10 it will become, 11 is here, and next 12 again come here, 13, 14, 15 like this. So now let's solve this one. So let's take the square of each one individually and see how it turns out to be. Let's say a square is equals to 3q whole square. What is this? So it is 9q square. So we need to write in this form, right? So we will write like this: 3 into 3q square. So I can write like this: 3m. M can be any value, right? For some integer m can be any integer. So this is in the form of 3m. Similarly, let's take a is equals to 3q plus 1. Okay, what is the square of 3q plus 1? So it is 9q square plus 1 plus 6q. Here let's take out the 3 common here. 3q square plus 2q. I will just keep plus 1 as well. So is it in, you can see clearly, it is in the form of 3m plus 1. 3m plus 1. This whole value is value of m. This is value m. Okay. Let's try now with 3q plus 2. How it turns out to be. A is equals to 3q plus 2. Let's take the square. So similarly here also 9q square plus 4 plus 12q. Okay. Let's take the 3 common here. 3q square plus 4q plus 4 is here. But we need to prove in the form of 3m plus 1, right? We can write like this. This 4 can be written as 3 plus 1, right? So 3q square plus 4q plus 3 plus 1. So from this also I can take 3 common. So it will be like this: 3q square plus 4q plus 1 plus 1. Now it is in the form of 3m plus 1, right? So it is in the form of 3m plus 1. Hence it is proved. Hence proved that the square of any number is in the form of 3m plus 1, right? And given, so we have taken one in the form of 3 only, bq plus r. A is equals to bq plus r. Here r is 0, 0, 1, 2. For here b value is 3. Why only 3? Just remember, this is very cautious. Here b is 3 because b is multiplied by this one, that gives us the perfect square. Why only square? Because here is mainly talking about the square of a number. In the next lesson we will see the cube of a number. There you will get even more understanding.